Another one. Yo, guys, if you recognize this type of pattern, I've been telling you about this, man. I've been telling you, but then you guys never listen. We'll just see what happens. You understand me? Damn, bro, you won't believe this, bro. You guys are sleeping, bro. You guys are playing, man. Stop sleeping on me. Just look at it. Look at it. Not only just that, but we also have this, bro. Hey guys, stay tuned, man. Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel of Finance, man. You already know it's your boy. Let's to the EGO. So guys, before we get any further into the video, guys, if you're new to this channel, please do me and yourself a favor, guys, by hitting that subscribe button and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new banger, guys. So let's just jump into it, man. On today's video, guys, I'm just gonna analyze the market for you guys. Probably, take trades, not actually take trades on a real account because I haven't yet funded, but then it's a before and after type of situation, so you can see that the things that I've been back testing with you guys, that the things that I've been teaching you guys, I'm gonna be applying them right now on this video, guys. So make sure to watch this video till the end, right? So I'm currently looking at AUD JPY, guys, and as you know, AUD NZD, sorry about that, guys. And as you know, man, I always start my analysis on the daily time frame. Reason being, guys, is because I want to see the overall direction. I want to see what the market is doing on higher time frames so I can be able to know what I can do on lower time frames, right? So looking at AUD NZD from the daily time frame, guys, I wouldn't say that price is trending up. As you know, guys, with my strategy, I always start with market structure, which is trends, all right? I want to know if price is trending up or if price is trending down, or if price is ranging, right? And currently, guys, I wouldn't say that price is trending up or is trending down, right? The reason being is because I don't see any high highs and higher lows. But then what I do see is the fact that price is currently ranging between these two levels right over here. As you can see, guys, like if I can just do this, it's obviously giving us some fake outs, then getting back into a range, right? So price is literally just ranging. Nothing is really going on right over here from the daily perspective, guys. So all we have to do is obviously wait for price to either break up or down in order for us to make a decision and know what we're gonna do next. So I'm just gonna simply go on the 4-hour time frame, guys, so I can see what's happening from the 4-hour perspective, right? And on the 4-hour time frame, guys, as I can see, what I love about this is now I can connect my trend lines properly, right? So connecting my trend lines, guys, I can see that I have a nice uptrend structure right over here. As you can see, price is creating these high highs, higher lows, high highs, higher lows, and now price is kind of ranging here, but then the trend line has been set, guys. As you can see, we have obviously our first touch right over here, we have our second touch right over here, and as you know, guys, the second touch confirms a trend, right? And then we have our third touch, guys. On the third touch, that's where we start looking for our entry points, right? And what I love about the third touch, guys, is the fact that price is rejecting off this trend line, showing that this trend line is actually valid. You understand me? So now I'm just gonna go on the 1-hour time frame, guys, to see if I can find any wow, guys. So without any further waste of time, man, I can see that here I have a support level. Why do I say that, guys? Because I've been teaching you this, guys. We have rejected once, we rejected twice, guys, to confirm that obviously now this support is valid. You understand me? Because why? We have two rejections, and not only that, guys, price went up here, came back again, rejected, and went up again, right? So obviously this trend line is valid. And what I love about this, guys, is entries are kind of valid right now as we speak. If you watch my previous video, guys, I did speak about I spoke about candlestick patterns, guys, and if you can see properly here, we have an inside bar candlestick pattern, guys. There's a bullish inside bar candlestick pattern because you can see now we have this long bearish candlestick and we have this short bullish candlestick, which is inside obviously this long candlestick, right? And then with an inside bar candlestick, guys, what I told you is that it's an indecisive candlestick, and we have to wait for we have to wait for another bullish candlestick, of which we have right over here, right? And then after that, that's when we can find our entries. And if we can, wow, guys, like this is literally wow, guys, like I'm not gonna lie, entries are kind of valid right now, guys. And as you can see, if I'm gonna apply my TP, I always target the nearest highs, all right? And you can see, guys, this is a lovely 4% trade, guys. So entries are kind of valid. Wow, guys, like, yo, I'm even surprised right now. Like, entries are kind of valid right now as we speak, guys. We have more than, yo, guys, like, we have at least 30 confirmations, right? We have our trend, we have our third touch, we have our support, and we have the candlestick confirmation, right? So entries are kind of valid on AUD and ZB, guys. Like I said, I will be updating you on how it went, right? But then for now, guys, these are the entries. I'm actually gonna update members in my group about this setup, because wow, guys, this setup is, yo, guys, this is actually a lovely setup, and I'm just gonna put this one inside my journal. So let me just screenshot this one so I can be able to journal it too, you understand me? Because this is a lovely entry point, guys. We have a nice inside bar, which is also confirmed, right? So moving on to another pair, guys, since we can see that this one we already have entries. Like, yo, guys, I'm even surprised, you understand me? Moving on to another pair, guys, as you can see, we have GBP CAD, guys. And on GBP CAD, we're just gonna go to the daily time frame so we can see what's happening on the daily time frame, right? So the daily time frame, guys, we can see the price is trending up, but it seems like it's kind of ranging too, you understand, between obviously now these two levels right over here. Price has been just moving sideways right over here. But one thing I love about it is that if I just try to apply trend lines, guys, I can see that, okay, trend lines, it's possible for me to apply trend lines. Why do I say that? Because now we have what? We have our first touch right over here. We have our second touch right over here, which confirms this whole trend line. You understand me? It confirms that, okay, this trend line is actually valid. And now we have a third touch, guys. And on the third touch, obviously now we just have to go on lower time frames so we can confirm. But then, guys, look at this momentum. The momentum, the bearish momentum is actually heavy, guys. So in order for us to actually, you know, go in hard, we have to obviously go on lower time frames to find extra confirmation. So I'm just gonna go on the 4-hour time frame so I can see what's happening there. So seeing price on the 4-hour time frame, guys, I can't really apply any support and resistance because there's really not much. So we're just gonna have to depend on the trend line, right? Which is not much, but it's something, you understand me? And like I said, guys, the momentum is heavy, so chances of price breaking this trend line are also high, right? You understand me? But then there's really not much for me to add on from the 4-hour time frame, so I'm just gonna go on the 1-hour time frame, guys. So on the 1-hour time frame, guys, what I love about this is the fact that now price, if we look carefully here, price started slowing down in momentum, right? The bearish momentum started slowing down. Look at this candlestick. This candlestick was obviously too heavy, guys. And then after that, guys, you can see like the momentum started slowing down. Then we had heavy momentum, and then we started slowing down again. And then, like I said, guys, with candlestick patterns, guys, if you can notice, we have a pin bar candlestick pattern, which is something that I discussed in my previous video, guys. So with the pin bar candlestick, guys, you know, I usually wait for this candlestick, the next bullish candlestick, to close, right? But then it has to close at least above or near this high right over here, right? So obviously now we have to wait for this candlestick to push all the way to the upside. Even if it at least closes above just right over here, it would be enough for me to, you know, consider this trade, But then on GBP CAD, guys, we just currently have this pin bar candlestick on the 1-hour time frame, which is really not enough considering the fact that we have heavy momentum on higher time frames, right? So for me to take this trade, guys, I'm not gonna lie, guys, price either has to break above this high, or I'm just gonna wait for the 4-hour time frame to give me confirmation, maybe an inside bar and another candlestick, and that's when I can enter, right? But then on GBP CAD, guys, there's really not much for me to add on, so I'm just gonna move on to the next pair, guys. Like, one thing you should focus on is you should try not to force trades, right? You should just blend in with trades, guys. Never force a trade, you understand me? So now I'm jumping on to AUDCHF, right? So I'm just gonna go to the daily time frame just to see what's happening right over there. And on the daily time frame, guys, I'm not gonna lie, yo, what's happening with these prices? Like, all these prices, they seem to be ranging, like they seem to be moving sideways. As you can see on the daily time frame, we are currently ranging, guys. So I'm not gonna entertain any of this, guys, because price is currently just ranging, you understand me? But I do understand that, okay, here we do have this support level right over here, right? We see that price rejected once, rejected twice, gave us a fake out, came back again, and now it's kind of retesting. So if you can see properly, guys, we can say that we might have some sort of a head and shoulders pattern. See here, we have our left shoulder, guys, and obviously we have our head, and this might act as our right shoulder, and we might actually just move on to the upside, right? But then this is not enough, guys, so I'm just gonna go on the 4-hour time frame so I can see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame, right? So seeing price on the 4-hour time frame, guys, I love the fact that, okay, now price is kind of correcting towards the downside, right? And then we do see that, okay, price now is creating what? It's creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and so on. We understand me? So now, obviously, with that being said, guys, I'm just gonna try and connect my trend lines to see if we can find anything right over there. Okay, so if I connect my trend lines, guys, we can see that we have a nice first touch here, we have a second touch here, and now price is currently sitting on a third touch, guys, and we don't have any candlestick confirmation on the 4-hour time frame. But then I love the fact that, okay, price now is giving us something that we can work with, you understand me? And obviously, if we try to apply any support and resistance, guys, I can see that here we do have ourselves some sort of support. Why do I say that? Because price rejected here once, rejected here twice. Here it kind of fumbled, played around, but then came back again and then rejected here once again, supported, you understand me? And now we are currently sitting obviously on top of that support, guys. So I'm just gonna go on the 1-hour time frame to see what's been happening on the 1-hour time frame, right? So seeing price on the 1-hour time frame, guys, I obviously see that we have a what? An inside bar candlestick, guys. Because why? We have this bearish, this long bearish candlestick, and we have this short bullish candlestick inside, right? So obviously, for me to confirm these trades, guys, I obviously have to wait for the current candlestick to close bullish for me to take my buying entries. So currently, guys, we do have 3 setups, and that's the maximum for me to look at, guys. I really don't look at the market that much. I just look at 3 setups and then I make my decision, right? But then AUDNZD, guys, is currently active, and man, like, yo, I love the fact that everything is confirmed. This trade is valid, like everything just makes sense, right? And then GBP CAD, guys, really not entertaining this one for now, so I'm just gonna take AUDCHF on top, and then AUD NZD, I'm just gonna mark it with this red thingy right over here to see that trades are currently active. So yeah, man, I will update you guys on how these trades go. For now, guys, please leave a comment, let me know what you think, like this video, guys, and obviously subscribe if you're new, you understand me? I will see you in a matter of probably 2 hours on an hour. I just want to see these trades, how they run, but then according to these ones, guys, I will update you on how it goes, you understand me? So yeah, man, keep on watching till the end. So guys, back again, man. It's been like, I think 1 hour 43 minutes, guys, since obviously we took these entries right over here, and you can see, bro, AUDNZD literally took off. Like, it didn't even wick down, bro. It just literally took off, you understand me? So yo, guys, yo, as I told you, man, this candlesticks, bro, it's something powerful, you understand me? But obviously, if you mix it up with obviously your other part of your strategies, you understand me? So one thing I also saw is that AUDCHF, guys, gave us the exact same thing as the AUDNZD, right? Obviously, we had the inside bar candlestick, then we had the bullish candlestick to confirm obviously the indecisive phase, right? So now these are the entries that I saw on AUDCHF, guys. Usually I go for 3%, which is somewhere around here, but then the reason why I put the TP all the way to the upside there is because of the 3% where I put it, guys. If obviously it reaches there, guys, it would break this trend line right over here, and then seeing that it would break it, guys, we do also have this resistance right over here, guys. As you can see, it's been resisting quite a couple of times, right? So if it breaks, guys, it would be just a matter of me waiting for it to break, retest, and then continuing with the move to complete the 90% rule. You understand me? But for now, guys, it's currently playing around. Doesn't always work out, guys, like I said, but then we'll see how it goes. You understand me? The stop loss is perfectly where it's supposed to be. I gave it at least some room to breathe. You understand me? So yeah, man, I will be updating you on how it goes, guys. Don't mind me half naked, man. I was actually about to bath, so please don't mind that. Then GBP cat, guys, as you can see, nothing much on it. Just yeah, it's been playing around, slow in momentum. The pin bar, guys, you see why I never enter exactly after the pin bar. This is the reason. You enter exactly after the pin bar and then this happened. You understand? So usually I just wait for what? For at least the bullish candlestick. You understand me? So we didn't get that. This is why price is reacting the way it's reacting. I hope you see that, guys. Now you understand me. So yeah, man, nothing much on the markets currently. We're just waiting. Nothing much. So yeah, man, I will be back, update you on how it goes. Right now I'm about to take a bath, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys. yo, back, man, back again with 3 hours inside this trade, bro. And wow, bro, I don't even know what to say. But yeah, man, I'm not surprised at all because, you know, simple stuff, guys. Like, this is literally what we've been back testing all this time, bro. Simple third touch, candlestick pattern, support and resistance, you know, simple stuff. And look at AUD and ZD, bro. It's literally just shooting all the way up, right? Let's check AUD right? Wow, AUD seemed like it spiked up a bit, but it rejected somehow for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, man, I still have high hopes that it might actually just, you know, go to the upside. But you know, these type of rejections, bro, for me, I don't really love them. But then yeah, it is what it is. You understand me? As long as you know it's still respecting the setup and stuff like that, man. Let's check GBP CAD. Okay, yeah, GBP CAD, bro. We actually leaving this one for good. We're actually leaving this one for good. The reason being is because, bro, I know when a trade is I know when a trade doesn't want to go our direction. You understand me? So I just usually I leave it, bro. So yeah, we're just gonna focus on these ones for now. So yeah, bro, that's how we going. Just look at this go, bro. Like literally, I even shared this setup with members in my Telegram group, right? So, bro, yo, wow, bro. I'm actually thinking of opening a free group so we can, you know, share setups and, you know, communicate more, guys. Otherwise, man, I think I will update you after probably an hour, probably around 12. Yeah, I will update you around 12. For now, guys, yeah, let's just wait and see how it goes, yeah? And we're still going up on AUD and ZD, guys. But then AUD CHF, guys, when this happens, bro, I just literally get out of the trade. Why? Simply because of this rejection, bro. It's too heavy and it goes with a pin bar. So I don't usually entertain these type of setups, you understand me? I usually just stay away from them and just focus on the winning trade, bro, which is AUD and ZD. As you can see, bro, it's getting chopped, you understand me? So let's just wait it out and see how it goes, you understand me? So yeah, man, I will update you obviously around 12, around 112. We'll see. But then as for these two trades, we out, bro. We out. We're only focusing on this one right now, you understand me? Sorry about that. I will update you guys. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, back again, man. 8 hours into these trades, man. As you can see, AUD and ZD literally decimated, bro. Like, yo, as you can see, bro, there's no need for me to explain, but I do understand that price might retrace back to this level right over here. As you can see, guys, we have obviously now a support level here. You can see that price rejected here more than once, right? And obviously it's been supporting, then rejecting. So price might, you know, scale in trades, but then otherwise, man, it's moving lovely as I expected, bro. And the other setups, man, like I told you, they aren't really doing much, man. As you can see, AUD CHF isn't really doing much. This is why I told you guys that once this happens, I get out of a trade. Like literally, bro, I just get out of a trade. But let's check on the 4 hour what's happening though. Okay, you see on the 4 hour, guys, if this candlestick closes like this with a bullish engulfing candlestick, this is when we can find entries on AUD CHF. Obviously, after the close of this candlestick, you understand me? So yeah, man, this is how we're looking at AUD CHF. We're just gonna wait for the candlestick to close. Currently it's 3, man. So yeah, man, we're just gonna wait for 4, and then we're gonna see how the candlestick closes, right? So let's check the other setup. Okay, let's check AUD and ZD, guys. literally, man, decimated. So yeah, I will update you around 4 on how AUDCHF will be going, right? Obviously, if we close with that engulfing candlestick, we will be able to find our entries right over here. Since well, it's a 4-hour confirmation, we can't ignore it, right? So yeah, man, I will update you guys. Yo, guys, back again, man. 4 p.m. guys, and the candlestick finally closed, man, with an engulfing, as you can see, guys. So now I'm expecting price to actually go to the upside. You understand? I am expecting price to go towards the upside, because now you can see price has been supporting off this supporting trend line, right? As you can see, like it's been supporting, bumping off this supporting trend line, right? So obviously, man, with that being said, guys, we have a confirmation, and a much bigger confirmation, right? Remember, the higher the time frame, guys, obviously now the confirmation is much stronger on higher time frames, right? So we have a bullish engulfing, obviously now on the 4-hour time frame. So this is much stronger than the 1-hour time frame. So yeah, man, I'm expecting this to move all the way to the upside, you understand me? But then yeah, I will update you, man. As you know, I'll update you on how that goes. AUDNZD finally came on that support level that I've been expecting it to come to. So now we're just gonna wait for candlestick confirmations, guys, so we can continue to just go all the way up, right? So if obviously I would have entered my trades, I would have had my stop losses somewhere around this level right over here below this candlestick. You understand me? I would have had my stop loss just below this candlestick, just to give it some room to breathe. You understand me? Just in case it, you know, it shoots down and then decides to give us a pin buy. You understand me? So yeah, I'll update you on how this one goes, guys. But then basically this is how I manage my trades each and every time I trade on a live account, right? So right now we're just gonna wait for AUDCHF to take off, guys. Let me just mark this with the red, just to, you know, to indicate that now we're currently inside these trades. You understand me? So yeah, man, I'll update you on how it goes, guys. Yes, sir. Yo, guys, back again, man. As you can see, AUDCHF literally got chopped, bro. Like, yo, guys, like, man, I don't even know what to say, because like I've been saying this, bro. If you watch my previous video, I've been preaching about support and resistance. I've been preaching about candlestick patterns. I've been telling you that the higher the time frame, the powerful the confirmation. And as you can see, bro, like, yo, price is literally taking off. Like, yo, guys, like, I don't even know what to say, bro. We even broke the structure. We even broke the structure right over here. Hence why, guys, I placed the TP right over there. I could have placed the TP here, guys. Remember I told you that I could have placed the TP right over here with the first entries while we had our first entries here, which would have given us about 3%, you see, guys. So, but I saw that, no, man, here, this is where we're going, bro. Especially on the 4-hour, since, well, the 4-hour candlestick, we closed with a bullish engulfing candlestick, guys, and you can see how price is going, bro. Like, yo, right now I'm in the midst of deciding whether I should end the video right over here, or I should wait for price to actually hit CP. But then otherwise, let's just check AUDNZD and see how it's doing, bro. I've been saying support and, guys, like, this is simple support and resistance. This is simple support and resistance. Obviously here it's market structure along with support and resistance, but yeah, look, bro, this is just support and resistance. I told you that once price reaches here, it might reverse and continue to go to the upside. But then yeah, man, I think I'll just end the video once we hit TP, but on at least one pair, you understand? If we hit TP here, I'm ending the video, guys. Otherwise, man, I will keep on updating you. I will keep on showing you how this whole process is going, bro. Make sure you like this, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me know what you think, guys, because wow, bro, like, I don't even know what to say, you understand? But yeah, I'll update you guys, sir. Yo guys, as you can see, bro, 8:15, literally late, bro. Like, I'm literally tired. As you can see, AUDCHF, bro, is literally just going up, guys, and I'm actually thinking of ending the video right over here, guys, because like I'm literally tired, guys. I don't even want to lie to you guys, I'm literally tired. So I'm actually thinking of ending this video right over here. But AUDCHF, guys, as you can see, man, like literally it's been shooting up, and now we currently on below a resistance level, right? we're currently below this resistance level right over here, because you can see that price has been bouncing off for quite a couple of time, and you can see it's been losing its momentum. But then I'm actually waiting for price to just give me a breakout, the retest, and just continue going towards the upside. Because remember guys, we had this breakout right over here guys, and I'm actually expecting price to complete with the 90% rule guys, so you understand me. So I think that's something of which I will update you on the 4th episode of backtesting my Forex trading strategy guys, which I will record tomorrow, you understand me. So looking also at AUDNZD guys, AUDNZD, the reason why it's been losing its momentum and rejecting currently is because I saw that price here is obviously rejecting off this resistance level, you understand guys. You can see that price obviously has been resisting here for quite a couple of times. We did have ourselves a rejection here, we did have ourselves a rejection here, we had ourselves a rejection here, we even rejected here, we even rejected here, even here bro, here price gave us a fake out, and now price is rejecting here, right? So come to think of it bro, I actually think that my TP bro should have been right over here, because like it's 3% guys, and it's enough honestly speaking, you understand me. So that's something of which I'm actually, you know, proud of guys. This setup was highly respected guys, and obviously I followed all the rules according to the strategy, right? So guys, I hope you've learned obviously a lot from this video guys, that the things that I'm back testing with you guys on these episodes, it's not just me, you know, trying to, you know, create content guys. I'm actually trying to help you out guys, so you can be able to, you know, learn guys, and be able to trade by yourselves and not depend on anyone for signals and stuff like that, you understand me guys. So yeah man, I think I'm just gonna end the video right over here guys. So yeah, think we're just gonna chop it up guys. And I've been actually looking at gold bro. You know what I found funny on gold? Before we end the video, let me show you how I'm looking at gold currently guys. You can see that this structure right over here, you can see price has been compressing between these two trend lines right over here, right? So currently guys, price gave us obviously now this first touch right over here, it gave us the second touch right over here, and now on the third touch guys, it kind of gave us a fake out. But now you can see that we are about to close with a bearish engulfing candlestick, meaning that price now is respecting this resisting trend line, right? So obviously with me seeing that guys, I was actually like, you know what, gold is actually gonna sell bro, because if I go to like lower time frames, like the 1 hour time frame bro, we can see that we had an uptrend going on right over here, and obviously gold now broke below this trend line, right? And not only that guys, but if we go to the 4 hour time frame, we see that we had this resistance right over here, price rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and obviously now it's supported here, right? So now price is currently below this resistance guys, and what I'm actually waiting for is gold to just, you know, maybe push further down to the downside and give us a proper retest, and maybe tomorrow we might find ourselves proper entries on gold guys, because it's looking really good for sells. I'm not gonna lie guys, gold is looking really clean for selling opportunities, right? So this was just kind of a fake out guys, like as I was saying from the daily time frame, this was just a fake out, you understand me. But then this is something that I will discuss on the next episode guys, the 4th episode of backtesting my Forex trading strategy, which I will be recording tomorrow guys. So yeah man, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you saw that I'm not just, you know, trying to create content, I'm actually just trying to teach you guys how to literally trade guys, using my Forex trading strategy, you understand me. So make sure you subscribe guys, make sure you like this video, let me know what you think about this video guys, and don't forget to share this video with your friend. But most importantly, guys, please turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, guys. Otherwise, it's your boy last to the EGO, guys.